Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making small batch apricot jam. I have these amazing apricots from my farm box today, so let me show you how to make this quick and easy jam that's perfect for toast. So all you guys need are some fresh apricots, some cane sugar, and some lemon juice to make this apricot jam. So first we're going to pit and slice our apricots, and you guys don't need to peel off the skin. We're going to need 8 ounces of apricots, and I like to weigh them after they've been sliced. So we're going to pit and slice our apricots and then chop them into small pieces. So if you guys have apricots that are a little bit soft, they're actually going to be perfect for this jam. So now that we have our 8 ounces of diced apricots in a small pot, we're going to add in our cane sugar and lemon juice. Now we're going to cook over medium heat until the sugar has completely dissolved. Then we're going to turn the heat to high and boil for about 1 to 2 minutes, stirring occasionally. Then we're going to turn the heat back down to low and simmer for about 10 minutes or until the consistency is thick. The way I like to test this is by running my spatula down the middle of the pot. Then I like to make sure the jam doesn't run right back into the opening right away. Then you know it's done. So once our jam is done, then it's just time to transfer it into a glass jar. And now we have delicious homemade apricot jam that is so much better than store-bought. You guys can use this apricot jam on top of toast, waffles, and pancakes. Plus, you can even use it to fill thumbprint cookies or fill layer cakes and cupcakes. And it's even delicious swirled into a buttercream frosting. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more easy recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.